Hello.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
My name's Rob.
Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. What are you doing?
Just waiting. I have work soon.
In this hot sun?
Yeah.
What are you drinking though?
It was coffee.
Oh, coffee? Oh, okay.
Starbucks.
Oh, okay. Is it some water or is that coffee? Maybe 10 minutes? When do you go in? Do you work around here in this one?
I do.
How about when you're not working, we can go out sometime?
I have work soon.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How much time do I have then?
Couple minutes.
Couple minutes? No.
In a couple minutes.
Oh, a couple minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. You're on your break?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well,
No, thank you.
sure.
I'm sure.
Cheers. Sure?
I'm sure.
Okay. How about your phone number?
No.
How about, can I have your Instagram?
No, I'm sorry.
No? Starbucks. We can go for Starbucks.
No, I already had Starbucks. I'm okay.
I mean some other time.
No, I'm okay.
No. Alright, then I'm sure you take a lot of pictures of yourself because you're very pretty. Hello? Yay. How's it going? I'm here at the spot that you told me to meet you at. Where are you? You already got here? Alright. Okay, cool. I'll see you in a minute. Alright.
Hello, sir. I have great news for you.
Alright.
Case is closed. $750,000.
Oh my.
Your bank account very soon, sir.
Alright.
I
Alright.
need you to sign this.
Alright.
Case is closed. You don't have to worry about a damn thing.
Oh, that means the case is closed. Okay.
Right here, here, and here.
Alright. Alright.
Help you out.
Alright.
Have a good day.
Alright. Take care. Alright.
Hey. So
Hmm?
what just happened?
Wait, no, it's that's my lawyer. As you can see, I have this brace here because I damaged my lower back at my work. So yeah, that's why I'm this. But I'm recovering pretty good. I'd say it should be all right in a few months, hopefully.
That's nice.
Yeah.
So you said you wanted to go out. I could give you my
What?
number if you're interested.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. All right. When do you think you'll be free?
After work,
Okay, sounds good. All right, what's your name?
343
All right, your phone number?
305
Hmm.
343.
Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna break my back for a gold digger like you, so I'm out of here.
مشاهدينا الكرام، لا تنسوا الاعجاب بالفيديو والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لنستمر في نشر المزيد إن شاء الله.